All right, here we go. We're Washington State bound. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
I know where I'd rather be tonight. I know where I'd rather be tonight. Playing with fire with you. Playing with fire with you. I'm tired of being in love and on my own. I'm tired of being in love and all alone. So I'm playing with fire with you. I'm playing with fire with you.
Hey, everybody.
Alright guys, so we are in Seattle. We're going to Mount Rainier right now. I'm extremely excited. We got in yesterday and we didn't really do anything because we were all extremely tired. But we slept like 14 hours last night and now we are ready to go hiking and see the wonderful state. So take you along.
Is it true that one could love two? Is it true that a man could love two? 'Cause I'm not with her, I'm with you. I'm free from her when I'm with you.
Hello. So we are currently climbing up the trails at Mount Rainier. There it is. Beautiful. It's really steep. We're on like this easy one and I'm feeling it. I'll see you guys at the top. How you feel, Ben?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. All right. I'll show you guys the trail. It's really pretty.
Guess where I'd rather be tonight?
Oh,
With someone who knows how to treat me right.
we're going straight up.
Playing with
Straight up.
fire with you.
And we just came from there.
Playing with fire with you.
That was the lake we just saw.
Yes,
Well, it's not that
playing
impressive.
with fire with you. Playing with fire with you. I don't wanna turn 25. Don't know what I'm doing with my life. Something tells me I should keep on trying. But giving up.
We're under this bend and look at that lake. Not Rainier, Ben. Ben is beautiful. Look at these rocks. Alright guys, so we're on this trail and it's honestly terrifying. So we're going like downhill. The trail's really small, I'll show you in a second. But like off to our side, it just kind of drops down and yeah. Like look at that. Look at Ben standing. That's the whole trail. And then that's just like cliff. So absolutely gorgeous, but also terrifying.
24 is where I draw the line. I'm too old to say I got time. I'm way too young to say I tried. But giving up seems way too nice. Way too nice. Spending my time, spending my money all on a daydream. How do you make everyone listen saying the
Look
wrong
at
things?
him. That's his
Daddy
best
said it's time to move on. But I don't wanna drink the waterfall. It's like I should be there by now. I can't see the road torn out. Well, how does my future play out? 'Cause I don't wanna let myself down. I don't wanna turn 25.
Alright guys, so Ben is absolutely obsessed with one thing, and they don't have it on the East Coast, but they have it on the West, and it is
Maple donuts.
maple donuts. They're pretty good. We're going to the Gum Mall. Oh, it's so horrible. Oh, that's horrible. So gross. at Ben's old house and we got blackberries. So we're gonna eat them. Ready? God. John is pissing in the back. And Porter. I don't want to get it on film.
That was sour.
Yeah, it tasted good.
Yeah, wild blackberries are everywhere in Washington.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, we're done.
Guys, we're at the fair. We've been at the fair all day and we went on like a billion rides and it's been awesome, so. They were born 3 days ago.
Oh, I don't know what's going on now.
Smile for the camera. Hello and welcome back to the vlog.
What's up, Jasmine?
Hi, love.
Don't ask why my shirt's like this.
I won't. Loaf, do you want to say hi to the vlog?
To the vlog?
To the vlog.
Oh, yeah, sure. What's going on, vlog? My name's Logan, and I'm a friend of Ben's.
Well, now you've met Loaf. Bye, Loaf.
Bye. Bye, vlog.
Today, we are just having more of a chill day. I think a couple more of Ben's friends are gonna come up. We're just kind of hanging out. We might play some Uno and some Unstable Unicorns, and it's gonna be a good time. We have like a couple more days here, which is so sad because everything's so beautiful. Woot woot! It's Tad. What's going on, John? You and Love look like the same person.
That wasn't a compliment. This is all we have?
Say hello. Us girls gotta unite. Hey.
Us girls gotta unite.
Yeah.
You know, what if we boys unite?
There's. Come on. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do a speed tour of this house. It's the last day. Everything's a disaster and pretty like messy, but you'll be able to see the house that we stayed at. It's pretty nice and has beautiful views. So let's start this condensed house tour. That's where we spent most of our time. There's a bedroom, there's a bedroom, here's a bathroom. Up these steps is where a few of us stayed. This was a bed and nice room, the back room. That one had no AC, so that was pretty rough. Up there is a little attic. Here's the dining room, the kitchen. Down these stairs. Okay, the second half of the house. Another kitchen. This back room. 2 more beds over there. Game room. And then the pool room. And some darts. Pretty nice. Also, this door is really cool. The top swings out so the bottom can stay locked and it'll be out. Well, we stopped at UW to go look around. Update, John picked the worst flight imaginable. We have a 6-hour layover overnight in the Nashville airport, and guess what? It's not a 24-hour airport, so they kicked us out and we have nowhere to stay, and they don't open until 3 a.m. and it's 11 right now, so wish us luck. Might be sleeping under a bridge if John has anything to say about it. Update, it's now hour 2 at the airport. It's 1:30 and Ben is out getting our DoorDash because hopefully they're outside, but also they're a little lost, which is understandable because I've never DoorDashed to the airport. We found a little hovel near TSA pre-check, and it's pretty nice and secluded. And we're watching Breaking Bad and trying to sleep, so going well. You want to say hi to the vlog? We got our DoorDash. I'm gonna show you guys our little setup. It's pretty nice. Okay, look. So that's my little bed, and we're doing. Our food looks really bad, guys.
Spaghetti.
That's their chicken Alfredo, and this is their spaghetti with meatballs. Why does it look like that?
Just mix it up, man. Should I use it like? It's really good. This is the best dinner I ever had.
Mm-hmm.
This is really good. Eating. I would order this often if it was nearby. 10 minutes per bite. Come on, eat me.
I want some of that cheese.
Stop
Meatball's
doing
good,
that.
honestly. You were like
Cannot be
saying it
more
looked
serious.
gross, but
It's
it's
so
really
I
good.
can't
good.
stop. I cannot stop.
You can't
It's
stop.
natural. It's
It's
natural.
not.
It's a human, like, when we're
No, it's
doing
not.
something, we moan.
Nope.
Well, how does my future play out? Cause I don't wanna let myself down. I don't wanna turn 25. Hour 5 in the airport. We slept for a little bit, but it was really cold and miserable. Now we gotta go check our bags again. Don't know what I'm doing with my life. Something tells me I should keep on trying. But giving up seems way too nice. 24 is where I draw the.
Why are you
It's so
trying to use that to eat?